Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Udaysreview. In this video, let us see a mini tripod from JMARY. I got this from Amazon.in through a seller called TechLike Solutions. This tripod is manufactured in China by JMARY. JMARY produces tripods for all sizes of cameras. Let us get into the unboxing of this mini tripod, which model number is MT-20. So this is the box for the stand. Let us open it now. It says MRP is 999, but I got it for 700. So let us open the box and see. This is from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. I'll push it from down. This is a mini tripod MT-20, multifunctional mini tripod, and there are colors available for this. This is in red color, I think so, because it is checked red. So it can support up to DSLRs up to 1200 grams. Let us see what is there in the box. Let me pull it out. Okay. This is the stand. This is a mobile holder. This is a holder. So expand it and put it. Actually, it will go like this. This is how it is when you close it. It has a 360-degree head. So let me show you. You can open this and keep it like this. This head is, you can rotate it anyway. I'll just show you the demo. Fix it like this. You can keep it as low as it could, or you can keep it in between also if you want. Adjust and keep it however you want. If you do like this, it will go so much. If you close it and if you tilt it, it will go all the way down. If I want to close it, just tilt it again. It will be like this. I'll just connect my phone and show it to you. So I'll have to place the phone down. Pull this and connect it like this and fix it here and rotate it like this. This is how it looks. So this is how it looks when you hold it in the hand for vlogging and other stuff. And if you tell this lock, release this will go all the way down like this. This you can use it for shooting Instagram videos or TikTok videos. This is a test of the tripod in vertical using mobile cam in HD. So friends, hope you have seen the unboxing of the JMARY mini tripod and model number is MT-20. So this is a very useful tripod for vloggers and TikTok video makers, as you saw in the video. If you want to buy this tripod, I'll give you the best buy link in the description below. If you like this video and the tripod, please share the video and subscribe to my channel Udaysreview, and also please do follow us in the social media platform. See you in the next interesting content. Until then, signing off.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.